Hi, welcome to November All About Barbados. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make Bajan cherry juice. This is Bajan cherry I have here in the bowl. I'm just showing you my green pear. If your pear is green, it's best to wrap it in paper. It could be newspaper, it could be normal paper, right? So these are a few things I need. I don't wash my cherries already. As you can see, I just got them soaking in water. And that's my pot for my blender. So I'm putting the cherries inside of the cup. Bear in mind, they are washed already. They are very delicious. Yeah, do you like my cute little bear out there? That bear there is a cookie jar. Yeah, it's a cookie jar. It's so cute. So guys, I'm going to get into the intro and then I'll be back, okay?
Beautiful, beautiful Barbados. Thank you.
So, my Bajan posse, I'm back. So, I done put my cherries inside my container. I pour in some water so I could blend them all up together in my bullet. Yeah, in my bullet. Pew, 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 pew. So I'm going to put some vanilla essence. You don't have to put that. You can add whatever seasons you want. Some people put nutmeg. It won't be the powder though. It'll be like a liquid. But everybody have their own way of doing stuff. But I just put a little of vanilla extract. So now I'm going to put it to blend. Blend. Come on. Come on. Don't play the fool. Come on now. Okay, it's playing the fool. Sorry about that. But you know, blend, 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 blend. We're going to blend. We're going to blend. Blend, 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 blend. We're going to blend. Yeah. So it's blend up. So now it's a little watery because as I told y'all, I eat a lot of cherries. I should have had more cherries. But I ate them. Yes, they were delicious. I enjoy eating them. So as you can see, I'm uncovering my blender. So now I'm going to get my strainer and stuff so I can strain all that out there. Yeah, it's taking a bit of a while. It's taking a while. I'm very slow. Am I not? Yeah, I'm really slow. Something was happening to right. I probably didn't put it in close. Sorry about that. I talk to people about this and I do the same thing. Anyway, so while we're waiting, oh, I'm back. I'm back. Yay. I got the bowl. I have the strainer. So now I'm going to be pouring it in. Yep. I really needed to add more cherries, but I didn't. So, yes, it's pouring in. Let us just let it pour. When it finished, because I got my spoon to like rake it right like that. So the drink will go down. Yeah. Yes. So it's all strained, okay? So now I'm gonna add in some sugar. And you can add any amount of sugar you wish. It's all in how you taste bugs. It's however you like your things, sweet or not sweet. I just add, I think it was 2. Yeah. So I'm gonna just mix this up. Then I'm gonna put it in a bottle. Yeah. I know you put it in a jar, but your girl needs to get a little jug. A big jug. We drink a lot of drink here. Because the place be hot. So I need a big jug. So I'm just mixing. Stirring. I'm going to add the water now. Mixing. Stirring. Yeah. Guys, I'm sorry. Voiceovers are not really my thing, but I'm trying a thing. So yeah. So I'm sorry if I'm being too silly. Now I'm going to taste it. It's tasting good. A little sweet, so when I add a little bit more water when I transfer it, but it's gonna be good. Mixing, mixing, mixing. Stir. It's very easy to make, and it's very delicious. Now this is it here. I put it in the fridge to cool. It's so delicious. Guys, it really is delicious. So now I have my, this is what I'm eating today. I have some rice, some coleslaw, and baked pork. That's my lunch. So thank you so much for watching, my beautiful, amazing people. If you're new here and you wish to subscribe, please go ahead and subscribe. A man's rejection is God protection. I remember to thank God every day for life.